Hey guys, so we're here back with another video, and today I'm showing you the flood. So usually oh my god, it's gotten higher. Yeah. It's gotten way higher. It's getting even higher. It's getting higher. It's lowering now. But like usually there's a part right there that goes down, and there's a boat ramp that you can put your boat in. But it's rained like so much here lately that it's completely flooded. And there's a road over there too that's also blocked off because you can't stop when you start going down. And this water right here is scaring me because it's like coming up and then it's going back down. See? Now, if they open the floodgates, the water's gonna come rushing in and we're gonna be swooped away, so wish me luck.
We're dead.
Yeah, we're dead, what she said. And as you can see, it's like not close to touching the bridge, the bottom of the bridge. Oh, that little birdie just went down there. I'm kidding, I'm not getting my shoe wet. Yeah? Ha! Let's find your fishy in the sea. My little fishy, who could she really be? Find your magic sets you free. Oh, she's a little girl with a round tummy. This is my sister Callie. And there was a little turtle over here too. I know it wasn't this part. Who could she really be? Okay, now that song's just getting annoying. Right over here. Pretty sure. Wasn't it like, yeah. The turtle was right there, and then a big whoosh of water came through and it went under. Go away! I'm trying to film! But then a big whoosh of water came and then the turtle went under, and I haven't seen the turtle since. But like, no joke guys, there was like actually a turtle. I mean, dude, my sister couldn't even see it. That's how fast the water came. But yeah, so that's the river. And usually that whole part right there is not flooded. Usually under that bridge, there's a part where you can like go down to the water. But nope, not today. Oh look, caution tape. Going under. Haha. And then I have to go back under. So to get to my car. Well, we're gonna go to the old mill, see you when we get there.
You know the part of Ponyo where the whole town floods? I feel like we're in that maybe. Like in that part.
I doubt anybody knows Ponyo. It's an old Japanese movie.
Ponyo fishy in the sea, a magic little fishy. Who could she really be? Ponyo, magic sets us free. Oh, she's a little girl with a round tummy.
You know any more?
I'm sure I probably do, I just don't remember after this moment.
I hate the song. Well, we made it to the old mill. I really don't like these stairs. so, oh, God. Sorry, I almost slipped there. Oh, wow. So, the whole trail's over there is underwater. I wonder if there's any turtles here. But there's no water coming out of the little thing over there. Yeah. So this is the old mill. This is actually a sweet gift shop and a restaurant. That's what I was looking for. It's a restaurant. And it's only open Sundays from, I think, 11 to 2.
I fell in that hole.
Oh, I want to go across that bridge.
No, that bridge is old and it's nice.
I'm going across that bridge. Yes, I am. Yep. Well, oh, God, I fell in that hole. Callie, I fell in the hole. Roadie. You're gone, literally. What do you think? Should I go down here? Should I go down? I don't think I, oh. That all right there is water. I can't even think about it. Can't even think about going across this bridge right now. My stomach. Ah. I'm scared. It's like dipping your toe into an ocean you can't even see what's under. I'm on. Oh. I'm sorry. This bridge is so old I can't, oh my God, I can't even do it. Well, where are you going? Why? Are you being scared? Yeah, you didn't take pictures. Ah! Shut up! I almost fell in that hole. What? What do you keep saying, Callie? What? Can you get a cameraman? What are you saying? What?
My twin, my other half, Callie.
Yeah, I know.
There's a house flooded down the street from her.
Oh, man.
One of my classmates, their house is underwater too.
Oh, yeah, and who's that?
Wait, you do realize there's supposed to be a wall right there?
Yeah.
Because that's supposed to be way down there.
Yeah.
There's supposed to be a wall right there.
Right where?
Right there.
Oh, yeah, I remember that wall. Well, no more of that wall. A nature lure. Nature lower. Nature loom. Well, I just added. I just added to. Callie.
Dam is supposed to prevent floods. Well, the water is over the Winfield Dam. In Winfield, like it flooded over the dam.
Huh? Nice going, Winfield. Sure, you like your dam. I'm kidding. I'm not gonna litter. Hashtag don't litter. Hashtag save the earth. Well, I'm pretty sure you're bored of seeing this part. Maybe I can give you guys a little peek inside.
I feel like we done went through a whole.
No, you can't. You feel like we went through a whole tsunami, huh? Ooh, can you guys see through there? It's all water. That whiteness is water. reflecting against the what
Well,
is it?
man, the
Sun.
high school is supposed to be doing their Civil War reenactment here pretty soon. And this is where they come and do it.
Where are they gonna do it though? Like, where would they do it if it wasn't flooded?
Over there.
Over there.
Over there.
Over there.
Over there.
Over
And that vicinity. And that vicinity.
Over there. So like in the ditch.
In the water area.
In the water. Okay, well I'm gonna make it to that right there. Okay, I did what I was. Oh! I'm scared. Well, I wanted to go on that bridge anyway. What was that? Obviously, I'm gonna look around. Back to the old mill.
I wonder if
Well, guys, I'm gonna end it here. Have a good day and see you later.